All right, so this is, I'm told it is a Sargent Signature. Thanks for everyone who helped me ID it. I've picked this before, but I've never taken it apart, so I don't know. Law Lock Tools, 1.2 millimeter wrench, Jimmy Long's medium flat hook. There we go. Got it open. So apparently, it has, well, I know it has side pins, but I actually can't tell if they're passive or active. And apparently there are also 2 sidebars on each side of the plug. And I actually don't know if they will end up popping out or not. But I don't know. Let's give it a good look-see. Just grab a shim. There we go. Sweet. It does fit, actually. All right. So 6 pins. Some mastering. Okay. Actually did not see which pin chamber that came out of. All right, pin 1, short and a master wafer. Pin 2, no mastering. Pin 3, no mastering. Pin 4, no mastering. Pin 5 and 6. 6 has another short master wafer. And I still cannot tell you where this master wafer came from. Put in pin 3. There is no milling on the core. And it would appear as the two sidebars are not there. The two sidebars are missing. But I can see how they operate. There are 6 total side pins that do appear to be active, but there is no sidebar, so they do nothing unless I totally missed them. Pin 1, standard, spring to follow. Pin 2, standard, and a master wafer. Oh, pin 2 might be tapered a little. Well, I just dumped pin 3 as well. Pin 3 appears to be very short. Is that all of pin 3? No, that's gotta be a master wafer. That is all of pin 3. That's bizarre. Pin 4, another standard, spring, pin 5, another master wafer, and a standard pin, spring to follow, and pin 6. Another standard and spring to follow. All right. Well, that was interesting. There are sidebar grooves in the body. Excuse me. But there were no sidebars. That's a little disappointing, honestly. But I don't know. What can you do? Let's just get a quick close-up. Lots of mastering. So that's where pin 3 went. There was an actual standard pin. And it would appear as though only pin 4 had mastering, but I guess we can put that small master wafer there, mastering. That small master wafer there and call it a day. But yeah, you can clearly see where the sidebar grooves are. There were no sidebars in this, as well as the sidebar grooves here. But yeah, a little underwhelming, not gonna lie.